Hey, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Sonata Hybrid. As you see, I have one right behind me. This is the 2019 Sonata Hybrid SE. It's a beautiful vehicle, so let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our cascading waterfall grille. HUD headlights, also going to come with our premium Echo alloy wheels. Also, this vehicle is going to come with blind spot monitoring and blind spot detection. So follow me, I'll show you inside. This vehicle will also feature a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, voice recognition, and Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips. But that's not the best part about it. Now, the best part about these hybrids is going to be the warranty. You get a lifetime guarantee on the battery in this vehicle. Also, you get a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty as well as a 20-year, 20,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call. I'm Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.